Did you know that many Anthurium plants keep growing leaves but refuse to bloom again after the flowers fade? Many people assume the plant has become weak or difficult to revive, but in reality, with the right care, Anthuriums can quickly recover and prepare for a vibrant new blooming cycle. In today's video, I'll share a completely natural fertilizer formula that helps strengthen roots, thicken the leaves, and provide long-lasting energy for the plant's next growth cycle. Let's get started and see the amazing transformation together. To help the Anthurium absorb nutrients efficiently, I first water the entire growing medium evenly with clean water. This step fully moistens the planting environment, allowing materials like bark, cocoa coir, or clay pellets to soften and become ready to absorb nutrients. When the medium reaches the right moisture level, the spaces between the materials retain just enough water to create a stable, humid environment around the roots. After watering, I place the plant in a location with gentle light and good air circulation, avoiding strong direct sunlight. This stage helps the roots stabilize moisture, recover their activity, and prepare for better nutrient absorption in the next step. To care for the Anthurium plant, today I use 5 tablespoons of rice, a common kitchen ingredient. I place the rice into a clean glass jar to prepare a natural nutrient solution that supports beneficial microorganisms in the growing medium and improves root nutrient absorption. Next, we add eggshells to provide a natural source of calcium for the Anthurium plant. Calcium helps strengthen cell structure, supports thicker leaves, and promotes stable root growth. First, I crush the eggshells to increase the surface area so the minerals dissolve more easily. Then, place the crushed eggshells together with 5 tablespoons of rice into a clean glass jar and pour about 1,000 milliliters of boiling water into the jar to begin extracting the natural nutrients. By the way, which country are you watching from? I'm happy to welcome you to PlantCareGarden, a channel that shares natural gardening methods. Please leave a comment below. Finally, close the lid and let the mixture soak for about 60 minutes so the nutrients can gradually dissolve into the water. After soaking for the required time, I strain out the eggshells and rice, keeping only the liquid solution that contains the dissolved natural nutrients. At this point, the water holds minerals from the eggshells and organic compounds from the rice, creating a gentle nutrient solution that plants can absorb easily. Next, I add about 1,000 milliliters of clean room temperature water to dilute the solution before use. Dilution helps balance the nutrient concentration, allowing the roots to absorb nutrients gradually and effectively, while reducing the risk of root shock, supporting healthier and more stable plant growth. Step 1. Use a piece of cotton soaked in the solution and gently wipe the entire surface of the Anthurium leaves. This cleaning step helps remove dust from the leaf surface, allowing the leaves to breathe better and improving gas exchange and photosynthesis. Eggshells provide a natural source of calcium carbonate along with small amounts of trace minerals. When properly soaked and diluted, a portion of this calcium dissolves into the solution in a mild form. When used to wipe the leaves, calcium helps strengthen the structure of leaf cells, allowing the leaves to maintain their shape better and reducing problems such as soft leaves, curling, or edge burn. It also helps stabilize the physiological condition of the leaf surface, which may reduce the risk of minor fungal issues. At the same time, rice provides natural starch along with very small amounts of minerals and organic compounds. When soaked in water, these compounds create a gentle solution that can clean the leaf surface softly, helping remove dust and residues without damaging the leaf tissue. The mild nutrients also help support water balance in leaf cells, allowing the leaves to function more efficiently in photosynthesis while remaining stable and healthy. Step 2. Pour the prepared solution into a spray ball. Then mist it gently and evenly over the entire Anthurium plant, including the leaf surfaces and young stems. Apply a light mist so the solution coats the leaves evenly without forming large droplets. This solution helps remove dust, mineral residues, and some microorganisms that accumulate on the leaf surface. When the leaves are cleaner, the stomata can function more effectively, allowing gas exchange and photosynthesis to occur more efficiently. In addition, trace minerals from the eggshells, present in very low concentrations, may lightly penetrate the leaf surface and young tissues, helping support cellular stability. At the same time, rice provides small amounts of natural starch and mild organic compounds. When dissolved in water, these compounds can gently bind to dust and organic residues on the leaf surface, helping clean the leaves without damaging plant tissues. The trace nutrients in low concentrations also help support water balance within leaf cells, allowing the leaves to remain firm and reducing the risk of wilting or wrinkling when environmental conditions change. This method can be applied about once every 2 weeks to help keep the Anthurium stable, healthy, and growing sustainably over time. Step 3. Evenly apply the diluted natural fertilizer solution to the growing medium of the Anthurium plant. The solution made from eggshells and rice provides mild minerals and organic compounds that gently nourish the root system. As the solution enters the growing medium, it slowly penetrates the planting materials, allowing the roots to absorb nutrients gradually. Because the nutrient concentration is mild, it helps reduce the risk of root shock or root burn often caused by strong fertilizers. At the same time, the solution helps maintain stable moisture in the growing medium, creating a favorable environment for root activity. When the roots are healthy, the Anthurium can absorb water and nutrients more efficiently, supporting steady plant growth. After watering, allow the medium to soak for about 10 minutes so the nutrients can distribute evenly and be gradually absorbed by the roots. After soaking the plant in the solution for about 10 minutes, I gently lift the pot and allow it to drain naturally. Step 4. I use a soft cotton cloth to gently wipe the entire surface of the Anthurium leaves. This removes excess water and keeps the leaf surface clean, dry, and well ventilated. Although simple, this step is very important for the long-term health of the plant. During care, water often collects around the petiole and along the leaf veins, where moisture easily accumulates. If this moisture remains for too long, it can create favorable conditions for fungi and bacteria. Drying the leaves helps reduce the risk of leaf rot, leaf spots, and other moisture-related diseases. When the leaf surface is dry and breathable, the stomata can function normally, allowing gas exchange and photosynthesis to occur more efficiently. This helps the plant maintain physiological balance and grow healthier over time. And that is the complete method I use to care for my Anthurium, a gentle and economical approach that respects the plant's natural growth rhythm. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so we can continue exploring more simple and effective plant care methods for your small garden. Thank you for watching until the end of the video, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next one.